Hello my friends out there in the YouTube world. Today we are out here in the shed getting ready to jump on the Harley because we have to go to the dealer. And why do we have to go to the dealer? Well, there has been another recall issue. Yet another. The third one. So this recall issue was for Softails, and it has to do with, let's see. All right, so the original recall was for this bolt right here. It would shear off, and your adjustment reservoir can drop down between the fender and the tire, causing damage, locking up, flat tires, whatever. So the recall now is apparently for this bracket right here, and it affects a lot of different Softails. So here is the letter I got stating which models it affects. So if you want to pause that and check it out, see if it affects one of your models. So I called the dealer. Last week, and they said they had three kits in stock. So they put my name on one. So I'm getting ready to head out there now, get it taken care of. Hopefully it won't take too long. So I guess we'll see you on the road.
Goofy bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear, windy canyons wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
Alright guys, we are on our way to Brandywine Harley Davidson to get this recall done. You know, I love this bike, but 3 recalls in slightly over 2 years, it's a little bit much. I don't think any new vehicle I've ever had has had so many recalls in such a short amount of time. So hopefully it won't take too long. You know, he said at best a couple hours. When I talked to him on the phone, I'm gonna hang out and wait for it, since it's Wednesday morning and I ain't got nobody around to pick me up anyway. So then we're gonna be getting out on a highway up here. Head on over there. So according to Google Maps, this is about 20 miles from the house. Now there are 2 dealerships, Brandywine and Hannum's, which are all part of the same conglomerate, near me. They're right around the same amount of distance. I bought this at Brandywine, so I figured I'd go back to Brandywine and get the work done. That's the only place I've been to for service or whatnot. So a lot of traffic out here today. It is still 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30, whatever time it is. So yeah, I figured I decided to go to Brandywine and get it done. And when I called them up, they said they had 3 kits in stock. So, and he said he's going to put my name on one of them. Told him I'd be there on Wednesday. It is Wednesday. I don't know how well this audio is coming through out here, being out on the highway, but I'll find out when I get home and download this footage. So right up here on my right hand side, you're going to see that building with the Harley bar and shield on it, and that right there, it's under construction, is going to be the new home of Brandywine and Hannum's together. They're merging, from what I understand. So they're going to make it one shop or one dealership. because the two of them are pretty close together. They're only a few miles apart. So, and like I said, they're all part of the same ownership group, same conglomerate. So they're gonna merge, I guess, and have one dealership. And yeah, it would be nice if it was open right now, because I wouldn't have to go all the way down here. There it is, Brandywine Harley Davidson. Alright guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, we are leaving Brandywine Harley Davidson. And honestly, that was quick. I was in there for maybe a half hour, so it worked out well. I did look at some new bikes. Fuck man, shit's expensive. Damn. You know, it's insane. So while I was sitting there waiting, didn't get much time to do it, but I sat there and edited a little bit. Maybe I'll get a video out at some point in time. Yeah. Been a couple weeks since I've released a video. Actually been more than a couple weeks since I've released a video, so I thought maybe it would take a little longer. Maybe I'd actually get through a video, edit it, but I got like part way through one, so I need to go home and edit some footage. Got a lot of footage to edit. I got like 2 or 3 videos I have to edit, and there's actually a couple videos that are not even going to make it because it just didn't come out, or I started it and forgot to finish recording shit. So yeah, 3rd recall done. Hopefully there won't be any more. I think Harley needs to start using some more quality parts, so we won't have to worry about these recalls anymore. Alright you guys, alright, I'm back. So I just looked underneath the seat to find out what they did for the recall, and here's what it is. They put a little plastic catcher underneath the reservoir adjuster, so if and when it does fail, it doesn't drop down between your fender and your tire. So what happens if it does fail? Are they going to replace it for real this time? All right, that's all I got. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So all right, later. All right, guys. Until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.